Can't tell. Stop recording. All right. So now I'm recording. I think I got it recording. Okay. What did I just do? All right. Let me get out of this. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I'm recording. All right. So I'm at the rest stop. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and continue with this turn. All right. I bought two fighters, so you guys know. All right. So I got over here. You decided to scramble. So I got three subs that had this destroyer and transport. So there's my three subs, and you guys have 4 and a 2 and another 4, another 4. Okay, so that's it. All right, so let's go see what we can do for damage. All right, come on. I got one. All right, you roll. You got 2. All right, so you have to take the destroyer. All right, which means your planes are useless. Okay, because I have one sub left, and you have a transport left. So because you missed 3, you got 1. All right, so can't hit the sub now that destroyer's gone. So I lost 2, and you lost these 2. All right. You lost these 2. I have a sub left, and your planes go back to normal. All right, next spot. All right, you got. Now this is what I need to research and at because I've been reading. I just been reading the book this morning, going over and over this, and according to the battle thing with to set up the battle, that the subs are supposed to go first and decide what they're going to do, select strikes or everything. Then target select goes after that, and then the regular battle continues. It doesn't say anything. I can't find anywhere in there that says AA shots go first, but everybody's saying that AA shots go first. I think AA is part of the battle, so the subs would have to hit first. That's what I am really thinking about, and I'm going to research it more if you guys want to check into it, because it would make a difference. Because I could do 2 target selects on the battleship, and then that would take away if I hit it the AA on the planes. So, if we go and you guys do some research while I'm driving, I can redo this battle. But I'm gonna go the old-fashioned. I go the old-fashioned way, and I'm gonna say, that you have the AA, that I don't know. But anyway, here's my 2. Here's for your AA, because you got battleships defended too, and then you got 2 cruisers also. So I don't know. But according to this, it didn't matter anyway. You didn't get any hits, but I'm still thinking that that's not right. All right, so now I got 2 subs that are going to target select each one of the cruisers. Okay, so I'm going to do a British and a French cruiser. British and a French cruiser. So this side's the French. If we really want to be technical, this side will be the British. But I'm going to target select them with the subs. All right, I got the British cruiser. So you'll lose one of them. So now you'll have 2 4s. All right, I'm going to have a destroyer, a cruiser, and a battleship. And then I'm going to have 2 tacks and 1 tack not paired with 2 fighters. Okay. So out of that, I need at least 3 hits. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. All right, your hits. Okay. And you got 2 hits. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 2 subs as my casualties. So that's deleted. But anyway, I'm still thinking that should be. I still have a battleship, and then I have a transport that landed here. All right, so the next battle is I have a fighter, okay, tank, and this, and you got 3. All right. So anyway, so you've got 3 twos. All right. I've got a fighter, an attack, fighter, and a tank. Okay. 2 paired and 1 non-paired. All right. So, all right, I got 1 hit. All right, your roll. You got 1 hit. All right, so take 1 away from you. I'll take my infantry away from me. Re-roll it. All right, I got no hits. Look at that. And you got 1 hit. All right, so I take away 1. Let's try it again. This is not doing good, but it'll work. I got 1 hit, and you got 1 hit. All right, so you lose 1, I lose 1. I'll roll them together. And I got the hit. You missed, so I still take it with a tank. All right, so tank's there. These 3 are gone. These 3 are gone. All right, this goes to Germany. All right. Okay, next battle is France. All right, let's just go ahead and move this one up to the top since it's big enough. All right. So I have 1 attack bomber. I got 4 tanks, 3 mechs that are going to be paired with 3 artillery, and 6 ones. All right. You're going to have a tank, fighter, AA shot, and this. All right. So let's get the AA shot over with. And it misses. All right, so now I have, all right, attack, 4 tanks. Okay, 6 twos and 6 ones. All right, so that's what I got. All right. And you have 8 twos, 8 twos, and 1 fighter and 2 tanks. Alright, so I got them on the actual wrong strip, but we know what we got. And there's 1 more there. Alright, so that's what you got, okay? Alright, plus the AA. So, first roll. Alright, first roll. Alright, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits. Alright, we got 7 hits. Okay, this one is a miss. All right, you got all right, so you got 1, 2, that's a hit. 3, 4, you got 5 hits. All right, so you lose 7. Which is this guy here is 1, and I'll just take off the French infantry, delete it. All right, so you lose these and 1 artillery. All right, and you had 5 hits on me, so I'll lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 infantry. All right. Okay. Next roll. Okay. All right. On this roll here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits, 6 hits. All right, that's everybody. Okay, you're 5, and you got 1, 2, 3 hits. All right. So these are deleted plus 2 mechs. All right, because I have to lose, and you lose everything. All right, so I take Paris with 3 artillery, 1 mech, 4 tanks, and of course my fighter. All right. Okay. So Paris falls, and that goes to Germany. All right. All right. And this plane will have to land. Another artillery, mech, and another artillery. All right. Next one is for Vichy. All right. I'll take that up on top too, just to have it up there. Okay. All right. So let's get rid of these dice. Let's throw them over here in a pile, and I'll sort them out later. All right, so you got 3 2s, or yeah, 3 2s. All right, so I've got, all right, I got 1 tack, 1 fighter, or 1 tank paired with the tack, and 2 infantry that I brought in, and a mech that I brought in. All right, so I got 3 1s, and all right, so here we go. Actually, I can roll them all together just to get it over. I can roll them all together. All right. All right, so you got 1 hit, and I got 1 hit. All right, so there goes 1 of yours. So you lose 1 infantry. I lose 1 infantry. All right, you lose 1 dice, and I lose 1 dice. All right, so here we go. All right, so I got 2 hits. You got nothing. All right, so you 2 are gone. All right, and I take this back down, and I'll put it here, and I will be declaring Vichy. Okay, so all right, next battle, Yugoslavia. I've got plenty here, and you get 5 guys for Yugoslavia, pretty sure. Yeah, let me see. I know it's somewhere on your mark, but I'm pretty sure it's 5. Yeah, it's 5 guys. So I'll just bring these up just to have them up there for Yugoslavia. All right, so you got 5 2s. All right, I've got 2 fighters and 4 tanks. 3 artillery paired with 3 mechs. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. All right. Okay, so there's your dice. All right. I need 5 hits. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got plenty of hits. All right. All right, so you roll. And you take of the Germans 2 hits. All right. So the Germans lose 2. Delete. Let's go back down to Romania, or Yugoslavia, I mean. Okay. And this comes German. Okay. Alright, so I got 4 mechs left, 4 tanks left. Planes got 3 left. There. Okay. This becomes German as a walk-on. So I gained 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 there. Alright. In Romania, this other one, I walked on to Finland. And it is Germany. And I gained 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think that's it for attacks. There's no more attacks. Alright, so non-combat. Alright, so I'm going to take my bomber from Germany, or Berlin, with 2 infantry. Alright, and they're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and land in Egypt. Okay? So it'll be 2 infantry landing here in Egypt. All right, and the bomber will stay there. Okay, all right, and then I am taking these 2 fighters. They have 3 left. They're going to go 1, 2, 3, and they're also going to go to Libya. Okay, Italian Libya. This fighter who did not move anywhere is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's coming into Libya. All right, from Germany. All right. So this one, and this one. All right. So in Tobruk, I've got 3 fighters, a bomber, or a transport with 2 infantry. Okay. All right. So this one here, that had 1 left in Vichy, is going to northern Italy. All right. Okay, this one here that had 3 left, the transport is going up to Western Germany. Okay. All right. I'm going to take 2 infantry from Germany. All right, move them to Western Germany. Okay. All right. This will stay here. That'll stay here in Poland. These guys are here. All right. They're here. Okay. So that'll all stay there. All right. So, all right. This fighter that was in Berlin is going to go 1, 2, 3 and land in northern Italy. Okay. One, 2, 3, and he's going to land in northern Italy. All right. This attack in Paris is going to land in Germany. Okay. These planes right here, we're going to go back to Germany. All right. All right. So that would be attack, another attack, fighter, attack, fighter, and attack. So there'll be that. Okay. Denmark's got the one. All right. So that would be pretty much it. One tank left in Normandy. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put two fighters in Berlin, or not Berlin, but I mean in Western Germany for my buys. All right. So deposition. Finland has got 5. Ooh, that's your guy. All right. Finland has 5 infantry, and I'll bring it in closer so you can see. Finland has 5 infantry. Normandy has got 3 infantry. Denmark has 1 infantry. Normandy has 1 tank. Paris has 4 tanks, 1 mech, 3 artillery. Vichy has a tank and a mech left. Okay. In Western Germany, I have 2 infantry, 1 Strat bomber, which was a transport. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 fighters. I'll put them together. And then I have 4 tanks that are in Western Germany. All right. In Germany, Berlin itself, I have 5 infantry, 1 artillery, and 3 AA. Okay. In Warsaw, matter of fact, yeah, I mean, I don't have to move them now. All right. In Poland, I have 2 infantry and 2 mech. Slovakia, I have 1 infantry. Romania, there's nothing. Bulgaria, I have 5 infantry. Okay. In Austria-Hungary, or in Yugoslavia, I have 4 tanks, 5 infantry, 3 artillery, and 4 mechs. In Northern, I have 1 tactical bomber. In Southern Italy, I have 1 fighter. And in Italian Libya, I have 3 fighters and a bomber with 2 infantry. All right, so I'll go down here, and since that's Vichy, I don't get that, but I have on the board right here is 41. Okay, so it's 41. So that'll give me 47. $47 because I saved 6. And then for NOs, all right, I am not at war with Russia. That's 7. All right, I have an armistice with France. I have Denmark, Sweden, Norway. So that's it. So, yeah. So I get another 14, 15, 17 for that. I don't think I have anything else. Yep. So I get 17 for that. All right. So that would make 17 and 47 would make 17 and 47 would make 60, 40, 50. What did I say I get? 7, 14, 17. Okay. And then I also get, so let's do the 17. 64, right? And then I get 19 from France. So that would be see, I'm just going to recalculate everything. Yeah, 19 for France. So that gives me 83 next turn to spend. 83 for Germany next turn. All right, so there you go. Because I saved a 6 made a big difference. So, all right, 83 and on to Japan. Okay. Wait, gotta get rid of that. I have to stop the recording and stop recording.